This is another episode of me trying to tell you that your light might be the reason why your videos are bad. So I have made some videos in the past that I have a light behind me that works the way it's working now, but it wasn't harsh on my videos. So some of you, when you get a backlight or a practical light and add to your videos, you tend to spoil your videos with those without you knowing. So I have a blue light behind me that is working on, let me check the power, is working on a 13% power. Now this works for me because even if I zoom out of this image, you would be seeing that it's good. But imagine when this light is turned to 100%, I start having this. Now even this might not be looking too bad because I'm far away from where that light is. Some of you don't have enough space to add a light like that, so the light start entering your hair and every other part of your videos, and that can actually destroy your video. Sometimes for you to do this, you have to give me a second. So for it to work, sometimes you have to do this, putting your light down so your light doesn't battle with your clip. And another thing is, if you have a 50mm lens, because what I'm shooting with is an 18mm lens. If you have a 50mm lens that you're shooting with, you can actually blur out a little of that background, so just like my fridge here would not be showing. I can actually tilt my camera, but I actually left it this way so you can see how it is. So another thing that is adding to this video that I'm making right now is the reflector, this thing that is here, that is in the video. So if I am zoomed in, let me zoom in from the camera. So if I am zoomed in this way, you will never know that there is a reflector here to bounce back light into my face from the light that is coming from above. And another thing, sometimes you might be shooting in the night, sometimes you might be shooting in the day. The background is not just bright because of this light or that light, it's also bright because I'm shooting during the daylight. The windows are open, so I'm adding it. But the reason why I'm not complaining right now is because I'm fully okay with what I'm seeing in my cameras. I'm not seeing a light leak from one end or the other. So from this video, you can now go back and adjust your lights in your video. So from here, I can decide to want to change the color, but just know that whatever color you change your light to also affects your video. This is good, but it affects the video. So I'm wearing a dress that has blue and green. So let me try green. Green does not work as well as the blue, but for me, I cannot use the full power of that blue in my videos, so I have to reduce it. A lot of times I just keep a little of it like this, which is making the video look more better than the shouty kind of light. When I started content creation, I was actually doing the whole full light kind of thing, but right now I don't want to do that. I just want to do something that works, something that gives me a clean video, not too busy, not too rowdy, but just a fine video that you would like, and at the end of the day, you might want to compliment me for it. Thank you, and I hope this video was insightful, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you, my people. Peace.